Hi, I'm Katie with WTI, and floating shelves are awesome, but they're only as good as the brackets that hold them up. And that's why we went with the Craftersmark steel brackets for our custom-made floating shelves in our kitchen. Since DIY is not really my forte, I did have a friend who is a woodworker create these shelves for me. He was able to use the template that came with the brackets in order to make the perfect inset inside the piece of wood. We went with walnut that is between 8 and 10 inches wide and about 2 inches thick. So the 34-inch shelf brackets with the 6-inch rods were perfect for these shelves. The brackets are a steel construction, and it's also adjustable where you screw them in so that you're guaranteed to hit a stud no matter where you place them. Because these screw right into the studs, you can really be confident that your shelves are going to stay and you won't have to worry about a loud thump in the middle of the night followed by the sound of breaking glass. It also came with all the hardware and more than enough hardware needed to install them. And the only snags that we ran into was that our wall was bowed, so we did have to make a few little improvisations. I am ecstatic with how beautiful these shelves look in our new kitchen, and that's just my point of view.